Hi everyone, it's Mo from Sparkly Belly. Have you been in a situation where you need a last minute costume but can't find anything suitable in your wardrobe? Or where you need a costume in a specific color for a specific show but you know you won't use it again, so you can't justify spending lots of money or time creating that costume? Well, I think many of us have been there. So I decided to challenge myself to see if I can make an outfit in 1 hour using minimal materials possible. And I'll show you how you can cut corners. Let's get started and see how I did. So first I planned this costume ahead of time. I wanted to make a simple two-piece costume consisting of a bra top and a skirt. I also took these two measurements ahead of time, from the underbust line to the back of my neck. I measured from the underbust line over to the chest to the back of my neck. And hips. This is the fullest part of the hips. And I used these materials. 1.5 meters or 1.5 yards of stretch fabric. I found this fuchsia color 4-way stretch fabric in my stash. And this was 1.5 meters wide and 1 meter long. I used 50 centimeters of it for the bra and 1 meter for the skirt. For the skirt portion, make sure to have a bit more than your hip measurement for the width and a bit more than your skirt length for the fabric length. A foam bra that fits you well. 2 pairs of pant hooks and bars, matching color thread, and appliques or other decorative items. For this one, I got a bunch of fabric flower brooches from a dollar store. Alright, let's get started. First, I started with the bra because I knew it's going to take more time than the skirt. I cut off the shoulder straps and cut off just the ends of the side straps to get rid of the hooks. Then I cut 50 centimeters of the fabric, folded right sides together, and traced one of the side straps on the fabric. I traced the underwire line too. I repeated it for the other side strap and cut them out. And added a 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch seam allowance all around. Then I sewed the 3 sides of these straps right sides together with a zigzag stitch, cut corners to reduce bulk, and turn them to the right side. Next, I inserted one of the side straps inside the outer fabric and placed the end of the original side strap to the end of the outer fabric really well. Then I aligned the rest and made sure the other end covered the underwire. Then I did a straight stitch along the end of the side strap and right next to the underwire to keep everything in place. Once I did that for both straps, I sewed on hooks and bars at the ends on the wrong side. Next, I cut a small piece of fabric and wrapped it around the center strap and stitched it in place. Then I quickly measured the width of the bra cup and cut fabric that's 5 centimeters or 2 inches or so wider than the width of the bra cup, and used the entire length of the leftover fabric, which was about 70 centimeters or 27 inches long. Here, make sure the strip is much longer than your measurement from the underbust line to the back of your neck, so you can tie these strips at the back of your neck when you wear it. I did a quick basting stitch along one of the shorter ends at about 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch from the edge and gathered a little by pulling the thread. I placed a gathered end at the bottom of the bra cup and folded 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch from the side edges towards the wrong side and placed the bottom end to cover the bra cup. I adjusted the width by adjusting the gathered section. Then I spread the fabric to make sure the folded edges went all the way to the sides of the bra cup and wrapped the edges of the cup and sewed the fabric in place by hand. I stitched the bottom edge and did a few stitches at the sides so the bra base is completely covered. I left the shoulder straps unfinished to save time since stretch fabric doesn't fray. And the bra is done! It's the quickest bra I've ever made, and it's a bit rough around the edges, but I'd say it's good enough for a last-minute costume. I normally replace the side straps with a much sturdier base than cover it, but covering the original side straps definitely saved time. Also, covering the bra cups with the gathered strips of fabric saved an hour of work. So I finished the bra part in 45 minutes and I have 15 minutes left. In the next video, I'll try to finish up the skirt and decorate it. If you're curious how I do, subscribe to my channel or sign up for my newsletter at sparklybelly.com so you won't miss it. Also, if you want to try making belly dance costumes too, sign up for my free course, Belly Dance Costume Making 101 at sparklybelly.com/free course. You'll find lots of beginner-friendly projects there. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling!